Welcome back. If you haven't seen the first video yet, we introduced the self-coaching model, a simple but powerful framework that helps you understand how your thoughts create your feelings, actions, and results. I'm Coach Jen, your BeliefSpark avatar. And in this video, we're diving into why this model is so helpful and how it can give you clarity and control over your emotional experience. Many reasons make the model so helpful. Let's go over 5. 1. It gives you clarity and control. Instead of feeling like life happens to you, the model shows you that your thoughts about your circumstances are the real drivers of how you feel and what you do. This means you can learn to change your thoughts and therefore change your life. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm overwhelmed and can't handle this," try thinking, "I can take one step at a time and feel more calm and capable." The first feels automatic and like it isn't an option, but you can learn to slow your thoughts down and choose them. 2. It's simple but deep. Even though it's just 5 steps, this model breaks down the complexity of your experience in a way that anyone can understand. It helps you see the root cause of emotional pain or stuckness, not in the outside world, but inside your own mind. For example, you feel anxious about a presentation because you think, "I'm going to mess up," not because the presentation itself is scary. But what might a confident person be thinking? The model teaches you to think through that. 3. It empowers responsibility without blame. The model helps you take responsibility for your thoughts without blaming yourself or others for your feelings or results. You get to realize that changing your internal dialogue is the key to changing your life, which is hugely empowering. For example, instead of blaming a difficult boss for your stress, you learn to change your thoughts about the situation and reduce your stress. Your thoughts are reasonable and justified, but if they aren't helping you create the life you want, the model shows you how to change them. 4. It's practical and actionable. Once you understand the model, you can start catching your unhelpful thoughts and replacing them with new ones that create better feelings and actions. It's a daily tool for self-coaching, problem-solving, and growth. For example, when you catch yourself thinking, "I can't do this," you switch to, "I can learn how," and then take a small step forward. It's personal, and you get to explore what thoughts work for you. And 5, it breaks the cycle of suffering. So often we get stuck in negative feelings and results because we don't realize we're trapped by our thoughts. This model shows how to break free by simply changing your thinking patterns. For example, instead of spiraling in shame after a mistake, you think, "I'm learning," or "How human of me," which takes the temperature down and helps you move forward instead of getting stuck. In the next video, we will bring this to life with a detailed example to make sure the model is crystal clear and easy to apply in your own experience. Don't miss it. Remember, you can also write in with your own everyday challenge using the link in the description to receive a personalized BeliefSpark coaching video. Whatever you're facing today, you are not alone. Life is full of challenges, and everyone, truly everyone, needs a life coach at some point.